Hey guys, so upgrading my 2006 Honda CRV to some LED headlights, and this is exactly what you'll need. I had some trouble finding, exactly what parts, because when you buy the, kit off Amazon, I'll put a link to this in the description. If you buy one of these LED kits, you get two of these guys right here. And if you compare that, this I pulled out of the car already. So this is the stock headlight bulb and kind of bracket. You'll notice that with this kit from Amazon, it's got these kind of dimples on here, and that part matches up. But what it doesn't come with is this kind of white bracket here, and that's actually what holds it in place in the car. There's a metal clip that looks a lot like a paper clip. Here's one that a paper clip that I bent for demonstration purposes. So basically this goes inside the car, and then there's a metal clip that kind of comes in and pushes up against that, and that's actually what holds the headlight bulb in place while it's in the car. So if you buy one of these kits on Amazon, you'll need two extra things to make this work. So this kit, this twists and then slides off, and then I 3D printed a piece that so I measured the OEM one and then designed this 3D piece. I'm gonna put this on Thingiverse, so if anybody wants to download this to do this themselves, they can. You can also hop onto eBay. I saw somebody selling something very similar, so I think that would work in either case. So essentially what this does is just makes it exactly the same as this OEM piece here. So you've got that flange for the clip inside the car to go on. And then finally, also on Amazon, I bought this universal headlight dust cover because the stock one doesn't fit so snugly because the back end of this thing has a little fan on it. So this worked great. So I would recommend this. It was like 10 extra bucks. So basically, to get this in the car, what you're going to do is you're going to have this part first. So what you're going to do, these little dimples will slot in there. And it's hard to get a video of this actually on the car because it's a tight spot. So you'll put this in first. You'll make sure that the dimples and this are kind of aligned. So if you'll see, I kind of turn this a little bit until just the orientation of that kind of flat spot along with the bracket kind of lines up, so maybe even a little bit more. So you get that lined up. You'll go out to your car, line these dimples up. You'll push this in there, and then that little clip inside the car, you're going to push it back over. It's like hinged, and then it kind of rotates, and then it'll hold in there up against that, and this will be snug in there. When you get it, you'll really know it's in there. And then after that's snug in there, what you want to do is take this this piece. You're just going to put that right over top like that, and then this piece is already in the car, fixed in there. So then you're just going to take this, that's going to go, and then you kind of turn it until it fits and then twists, and then everything's all locked together. And then you just line up, there's like kind of a red wire and a black wire. You just line those up. You'll see on that stock piece there's a connector that's kind of reddish and one's black, so you'll just connect those and then you're good to go.